Today, we are starting a very special episode. And today's lesson is simple, but very powerful. We are going to talk about an amazing book called Discipline is Destiny, written by Ryan Holiday. This book teaches one life-changing lesson. If you learn to control yourself, you can completely change your future. In this episode, I will explain the ideas from this book using easy and simple English, perfect for beginner English learners. I will share important lessons, interesting stories, and powerful messages from the book. But don't worry, everything will stay simple and easy to understand. If you hear any difficult word, I will explain its meaning immediately. So while listening, you improve your English and learn valuable life lessons at the same time. Here is how today's lesson will work. We will go through the book, step by step, chapter by chapter, but in very simple language. No difficult grammar, no confusing sentences. If any word feels hard, I will explain it inside the lesson, so you never feel confused. Confused means not understanding something clearly.
If you practice discipline every single day, it slowly becomes stronger. But if you stop using it, it starts becoming weak. Think about this example. If you practice speaking English every day, your speaking ability grows stronger. But if you stop practicing for many days, that ability becomes weaker. Weaker means less strong than before. Here are some simple discipline habits. Practice shadowing for 5 minutes every night. Learn 10 new words every morning. Review old vocabulary every evening. These small daily habits train your discipline little by little and make your discipline stronger every day.
Every single day, your mind sends you many different messages. It says things like, I feel tired. I don't want to study today. This feels difficult. Maybe I can do it tomorrow. Some of these thoughts help you, and some do not help you at all. If you want to become disciplined, you must learn one important skill. You must learn which thoughts deserve your attention. This is called mental control. Ryan Holiday teaches a powerful lesson. You are not your thoughts. You are the person who decides which thoughts to follow. Let me say that one more time. You are not your thoughts. You are the person who chooses what to listen to. And this idea is extremely important. Your mind,
Sometimes life feels difficult. And difficult simply means something that is not easy. Let me explain with simple examples. Anger can make you say things that you later regret. Stress can make you stop learning. Sadness can slow down your progress. Excitement can make you forget your plan. Now, emotions themselves are not bad. But when emotions begin controlling your actions, discipline becomes weaker. The author shares a very useful lesson. Pause before reacting. Pause means stop for a small moment. React means respond immediately without thinking. And sometimes just a small pause can help